It has been 7 years since I was last in Aleppo. In my memory, it was a beautiful evening as we, a group of friends, walked through this beautiful city that we all call home. We make so much noise laughing loudly as we pass through the narrow streets of the old city of Aleppo. The stores began to close in the main souk as we step on the ancient stones that have been its foundations for thousands of years. With the moon smiling above our heads, the buildings mumble and whispers to us, this place which has a soul and tells a story. And every time we think about how we had to walk away from this place, from the memories, and how destruction became the only memory and reality we know, our hearts tears just a little bit more, just like other 65 million peoples around the world whom had experienced the same. As an architect and urban designer, you feel the responsibility to do something about it, show how we can rebuild the city and how we can sketch our strategies for flexible plans which invites everyone to join, connecting the history to the future challenges, empowering people and creating space for everyone to rebuild their stories again, and all together bringing back the soul of the city.